Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can remove new line or line breaks in Excel sheet in bulk. First of all, problem statement. You can see that you might have many line breaks in your Excel, and even you will not be aware of the line breaks because your data will be looking like normal data. And as you can see in my screen, I have 3 rows of data which should be copied into some other editor, and I should have received 3 rows of Excel from here. And when I paste this into Notepad, you can see that I am not receiving 3 rows, and this is because my Excel has new line or line breaks in some cells. And even you can have bulk of data and you cannot remove it manually. So if you want to copy and paste from Excel to some other editor, you will be having this kind of problem. I show you some another editor. I have a SQL server, and here if I paste again I have a issue. So this problem we shall be going to remove. First you have to go to Excel where you have this problem, and you need to save this Excel workbook into micro enabled workbook, and you can do this just by going into save as menu and saving this workbook as a Excel micro enabled workbook. And when you save this workbook, you will be having a menu called developer, and in this developer menu you can create macros. Macros are actually a programming interface which you can do in Excel, and you can work on data, you can fetch data, you can treat your data through coding language, so which is actually a VBA language. So here now when you record a new macro, like I am going to record another macro 2, you can rename it here. Okay, so you will see that now this item is now changed. Stop recording. When you stop recording, your macros is now saved, and you go to the macros, you will see that there are now 2 macros. One I have created earlier and another I have created as a sample now. So I go to any of this and edit it. Now what you have to do is you have to write some code which is actually VBA code. I am going to show you this sample code here which actually we need now. So this is actually the code which will remove new line from your Excel. So we copy it here and paste it into our macro. So now what this code will do, this code will read all cells and remove all the new lines. And for new line, what actually we are doing is we are reading it as ASCII characters from each cell. What are the ASCII characters? So for new line 10 is a ASCII character, and we are replacing it with a space. So now you need to run this macro, and it will ask you where to run. So you have to tell your data range where you will be running this macro, and I have selected all my 3 rows where I have new line or line breaks in my data. Okay, now what this have done, it has removed all the new lines. Just for the surety of our work, that work has been done, I am again copying this 3 row and going into editor again, which is Notepad. Let's go to the same rows where I have pasted earlier my data into same format which I want. Again I am going into some another editor. If I paste it here, my data is into a formatted one. I have 3 rows of data which I was having into Excel.